Hi Sudoku fans, welcome back with the second Sudoku puzzle on the daily newspaper on Wednesday, October the 2nd. I forgot to mention it in the early Sudoku. So it's Wednesday, October the 2nd. And in this newspaper we have 3 Sudokus, and the second one is a medium Sudoku. So let's get started with this Sudoku. Alright, I see here 7 in this column, a 7 in this column. So in the column between, the only place for 7 is here. Then we have a 5 in this row, 5 in the last row. So in the row between, the only 2 places for a 5 is here or there, but I see here already a 5, so no 5 there. 5 must be here. This big square, 3 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 7. I see here already a 7, so no 7 in these 2 boxes. Only place for 7 should be here. The other 2 missing numbers are 4 and 2. I see here 4, so no 4 there. 4 must be here, and the 2 goes there. 7 in this row, 7 in that row. So in the row between, the only place for a 7 is here. Then a 7 in the first row, a 7 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places for 7 is here or there, but I see here 7, so no 7 there. 7 must be here. 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column. So in the column next, the only 2 places for 7 is here or there, but I see here 7, no 7 there. 7 must be here. 7 in this row, 7 in that row. So in the middle row, the only 2 places for 7 is here or there, but I see here 7, so no 7 here. 7 goes there, and all the 7s are used. I can see. Yes, alright. Then we can use the 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row. So in the row above, the only 2 places for 5 is here or there, but I see here 5, no 5 there. 5 goes here. 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row. So in the row below, the only 2 places for 1 is here or there, but I see here already 1, so no 1 there. 1 goes here. Then yes, in this big square, one of the missing number is an 8. I see here an 8, so no 8 in this box. See an 8, no 8 in these 2 boxes. Only place for an 8 should be there. 8 in this row, 8 in that row. So in the middle row, only place for an 8 is here. This big square, one of the missing number is a 2. I see here 2, so no 2 in these two boxes. Only place for 2 should be there. These two boxes are reserved for the numbers 3 and 9. I cannot fill this yet, need to wait. 3 and 9. That means these two boxes, missing numbers are 1 and 8. 1 and 8. And I cannot fill this yet. 1 and 8. The middle row, 3 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 2. I see here 2, so no 2 in this box. I see here 2, so no 2 in this box. Only place for 2 should be here. 2 missing numbers in this middle row. 1, 2, 3 is missing, and the 9 is missing. I see here 9, so no 9 there. 9 goes here, and the 3 goes there. Then this big square in the middle, 3 missing numbers. The numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 9. I see here 6, so no 6 in these two boxes. 6 goes here. The 9 and the 4 are missing. I see here 4, so no 4 there. 4 goes here, and the 9 goes there. We have a 9 in the middle row. We have a 9 in the row below. So in this row, the only place for 9 should be here. And I remember here the missing number here is 3. One missing number in this row is number 3. One missing number in this row is number 6. Then 9 in this column, 9 in the middle column. So in this column, the only 3 places for 9 is here, here, or there. But I see here 9, so no 9 there. I see here 9, no 9 there. Only place for 9 is here. Then a 2 in this column, a 2 in middle column. So in the column next, the only 2 places for 2 is here or there. But I see here 2, no 2 there. 2 goes here. One missing number in this column is for number 4. 4 in the last column, 4 in the column next. So in this column, the only 2 places for 4 is here or there. But I see here already a 4, so no 4 there. 4 goes here. 4 in the first column, 4 in the third column. So in the second column, the only 2 places for a 4 is here or there. But I see here 4, so no 4 there. 4 goes here. And all the 4s are used. I can see. Yes, alright. Then these two numbers, missing numbers are 3 and 3 and 8. 3 and 8. I cannot fill this yet. 3 and 8. These two numbers are for this column 5 and 6. No, I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. Need to wait. Need to wait. Yes, 5 in the third column, 5 in the first column, so in the second column, only place for 5 should be here. In this column, 2 missing numbers, the numbers 1 and 3. I see here 3, no 3 there, 3 goes here, 1 goes there, 1 in the last row, 1 in the row above, so in this row, the only 2 places for 1 is here or there, but I see here 1, so no 1 there, 1 goes here, 1 in this column, 1 in the column next, so in the last column, only place for the 1 is here. 1 in the first row, 1 in the third row, so in the second row, the only 2 places for 1 is here or there, but I see here 1, so no 1 there, 1 goes here, and all the 1s are used, I can see. Yes, this column, 1 missing number is number 8. This column, 1, 2, 3 is missing, and 6 is missing. I see here 6, so no 6 there, 6 goes here, and the 3 goes there. This row, 1 missing number, this is a number 2, yes. Then this row, 1, 2, 3, 3 missing numbers. One of the missing number is 1, 2, 3. I see here 3, no 3 there. I see here 3, no 3 there. 3 goes here. Then the following numbers are 5 and 8. I see here 5, so no 5 there. 5 goes here, and the 8 goes there. 2 missing numbers of this big square for the numbers 5 and 8. I see here 5, no 5 there, 5 goes here, and 8 goes there. 8 in the second row, 8 in the third row, so in the first row, the only place for an 8 should be here. 1 missing number in this column is number 6. 1 missing number of this big square is number 3. 1 missing number of this row is number 2. Yes. 2 missing numbers of this row for number 3 and 6. I see here 3, no 3 there, 3 goes there, and the 6 goes there. 1 missing number of this column is number 6. 2 missing numbers of this big square for the numbers 6 and 9. I see here 6, so no 6 there, 6 goes here, and 9 goes there. 1 missing number of this row is number 2, and the final number of this big square is number 9. So we have finished this in 13 minutes, people. Alright, if you like it, thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. Thank you for watching, and I will see you later with the killer Sudoku. Thank you, bye bye.